Okay, we have example number 1. It says, determine the coordinates of the vertex, axis of symmetry, focal distance C, focus, means the coordinates of the focus, and then length of latus rectum. And also endpoints of the latus rectum of the parabola with an equation of x squared equals 8y, and then sketch the graph. So, paano natin ito isosolve? Um, by the way, before that, uh, isulat muna natin yung mga given sa problem. Then, isulat natin kung ano yung hinahanap. So, ang given ay equation ng ating parabola. Given, equation of the parabola is x squared equals 8y. And then, ang pinapahanap sa atin, isulat natin lahat. We have coordinates of the vertex, coordinates of the focus, then coordinates of the endpoints of latus rectum. Ito yung E sub 1 and E sub 2. E sub 1 and E sub 2. What else? Equation ng directrix. Hindi pinapahanap. Ilagay na rin natin. Equation of directrix. What else? Length of LR or latus rectum, and then the focal distance C. And also the axis of symmetry, pinapahanap din. Yan. So, coordinates of vertex, the coordinates of the focus, endpoints of the latus rectum, equation of directrix, length of the latus rectum, the focal distance C, okay. Then the axis of symmetry. And also the last one is we're going to get the graph of the parabola. So lahat ng yan ay ating kukunin based from one given, which is the equation of the parabola. Now, in our solution, we're just going to match or compare the given equation to the four standard equations of the parabola. Okay? So, kung ating i-compare yung given natin, this one, x squared equals 8y, katulad dito ng equation ng parabola with vertex at the origin, which is x squared equals 4cy. Yan, katulad yan. So, itong equation ng parabola na x squared equals 4cy, siya ay parabola with vertex at the origin, and then the curve opens upward, okay? And the axis of symmetry is y-axis, okay? So, ganun siya. So, kunin natin yung mga pinapahanap sa atin. Unahin natin yung focal distance. Solving for C. Solving C, which is the focal distance. Paano? The given equation is x squared equals 8y. And its equivalent standard equation is x squared equals 4cy. Therefore, 4c is equals to 8. 8. So, 8 equals 4c. Ganun lang. Therefore, c equals 8 over 4 or c equals 2. Okay? So, nakuha na natin yung focal distance. The next na kukunin natin is LR. Paano makukuha sa LR, yung length of the latus rectum. Solving for LR. So, paano yon? Alam natin ang LR natin is equal to 4C. Therefore, it is equal to 8. Okay? So, yun na kaagad ang ating length ng latus rectum. Next is, kunin natin yung kalahati ng latus rectum. Okay? Kasi magagamit natin yon para makuha yung endpoints of the latus rectum. LR over 2 is equivalent to 4C over 2, and that is 8 over 2 equal to 4. Yung kalahati niya. So, this is our LR over 2. Kalahati ng latus rectum. Okay? Ang kalahati ng latus rectum, by the way, is 2C. Okay? Yeah. So, okay na. Ano pang pinapahanap sa atin? Okay, axis of symmetry. Itong equation na to, which is parabola opens upward, has an axis of symmetry at y-axis. Therefore, ang axis of symmetry is y-axis. Okay? So, isa-isahin natin yung nakuha nating values, ano? And then, kunin natin itong mga to. Okay? Una, vertex. Anong vertex natin? Vertex is at the origin. So, 0, 0. Masikip. Teka, kunin natin. Erase natin to. So, unahin natin yung vertex. So, vertex at 0, 0. Vertex. So, ang vertex natin ay B0, 0. The next is the focus. Nasaan ang focus? Ang focus natin is on the positive y-axis. Coordinates ng focus natin kapag opens upward ang parabola is at focus is at 0C. Okay? So, kung 0C, ang focus natin ay nasa 0, ang C natin ay 2. Okay? Okay, nasagot natin. And then, axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry, since siya ay opens upward, okay, ang axis of symmetry tatama sa focus. Ang focus natin is on the positive y-axis sa makatwid. Ang ating axis of symmetry, y-axis mismo. So, y-axis. Okay? So, para makuha natin yung endpoints of the latus rectum, mas maganda i-graph na natin yung parabola. Unahin na natin to. Okay? At saka yung equation of directrix para makitang mabuti yung mga values niya o coordinates niya. Ito yung graph ng parabola natin. Okay. 1, 2. So, naandito yung ating focus. Ang taas niya from the x-axis is 2 units. Therefore, ang ating directrix ay nasa below the x-axis. So, 1, 2. 2 units din. So, ito yung ating directrix. Ang equation niya will be y equals negative 2. Okay, ilagay natin dito. Directrix y equals negative 2. or y plus 2 equal 0. Okay? What else? And then, ang vertex natin ay nasa origin. So, ito yung V0, 0. And then, starting from, yung ating latus rectum is parallel to x-axis at dadaan sa kanyang focus. So, ang haba ng ating latus rectum ay 8 units. Ibig sabihin, 4 units to the right, 4 units to the left. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, naandito yung isang end ng latus rectum. Sa kabila, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, naandito. So, sa makatwid, ito yung ating graph ng ating parabola. Okay. Okay. So, ito yung ating latus rectum. So, ito ay 4 units, 4 units, equivalent to 8 units. So, ano yung ating E sub 1? Ito, endpoints. So, that will be, horizontal distance is 4 units. So, 4, 2. And then, this one, E sub 2 is negative 4 units, 2. Kasi ang length niyan ay equivalent to 8 units. 4 units to the right, 4 units to the left. Kasi ang coordinates ng ating endpoints, okay, tingnan natin dito, endpoints, of LR, ano yun? E sub 1, coordinates niya ay, that will be 2C, C, or that is equivalent to E sub 1, 4, 2. And the other equation is, or the other end of the latus rectum is at negative 2C. Ito. Negative 2C. C, or that is at negative 4, 2. Okay? So, itong equation ng parabola na to is x squared equals 8y. Or, in general form, that is x squared minus 8y equals 0. Okay? So, the vertex is at 0, 0. The focus is located at 0, 2. And the equation of the directrix is y equals negative 2. Axis of symmetry is y-axis. The endpoints of latus rectum is 4, 2 and negative 4, 2. What else? And this is the equivalent graph of this parabola. So this is our example number 1 in parabola with vertex at the origin.